We ask our colleagues in workshop to test it on the workshop with the devices. So he clicks to add device and accept the permissions and the other things that he needs to do, and scans the QR code that would be on the device. So the customer needs to put the Wi-Fi name, and it communicates with the IoT device and sets the credentials in there. And also I'm just showing the other screens that after we paired, we can see the device actually is paired and it's on the app, and you can select the blade set. As you replace the blade set, you can select from here and you can rename your device. And also there are some voltage settings warnings that if it's set to higher or lower, there is related warnings that needs to appear here. And again, the like to change passport steps in here, and the book MyTESUP is actually the mostly the user manual that includes all instructions, and there's also support page of the website. You can see, and there are a lot of FAQs and other stuff that user actually can go and get the support. There is Discover More page, which basically a TESUP home page, and there are some social icons, and you can also add a new TESUP from there, a new device. My account